Hi, I'm David Birch. Welcome to day number 6 of the 15-minute wellness 28-day challenge. Today, we're going to start with some instruction on standing meditation and dissolving. It's a couple of concepts that we've already done, but we've done them in practice in the earlier sessions, but we haven't really called them out or brought attention to what they are. So, standing meditation, done in a standing stance, like the Wuji position, the neutral position, bending the knees, sinking the hips, upright. This is the ergonomic position, the ergonomic neutral position. It's a very nice position for standing for a long period of time without stress on the body. Very well supported by your bone structure, by the rest of your body suit structure too, the ligaments, the muscles. Everything can collapse and be supported straight down. The toes are straight ahead, the knees are bent, the feet are about shoulder width or hip width apart, arms loose, shoulders relaxed, neck relaxed, bottom heavy. Bottom part of your body is heavy, sinking. Top part is floating, as if being pulled by a string up, creating space in the vertebrae, straightening the back. So the tailbone sits a little bit like you're sitting on a tall chair, straightening out the lower back a little bit and floating the head. The chin is level to the ground. So if it juts up or out a little bit, you need to push it back and level it out a little bit. And then we relax, relax, relax. Relaxation is key. Relaxation is key, especially when you're standing a long time. We're going for quality over quantity. So we want to do it well instead of do it for a long time and not so well. So with the hands at the side, and maybe the palms facing the back a little bit, relaxed. This is the Wuji position. And you can start here. And we have been doing this with our eyes closed. At the end or near the end, whenever we are just enjoying the stillness, we're doing this standing meditation. And you might try this by itself for like 5 minutes. Work up to 5 minutes. We've been doing it for a few seconds at a time. What else can we do? We can lift the arms up. They still need to be loose, bent, not straight. It can be at the belly level, such as if you're holding a big belly, we relax, relax, relax. We can raise that up like we're hugging a tree. Elbows down, fingertips open, not closed, open. Maybe like we're holding marbles in between the fingers, imaginary marbles. Like I'm holding an imaginary bowl here or a ball here. If it strains your shoulder and your neck too much, maybe bring it back in a little bit. Back toward the body a little bit. Hugging a tree. So this feeling of relaxation, both mental and physical, can be like you're dissolving or softening dissolving, seeking enjoyment, trying to find a position that you can remain in for a while. And then palms out to the front, fingertips to the sky, straightening out the back a bit more is the Tai Chi ready position. All of these are standing meditation positions that you can try. Most of the time, I use just the Wuji, just standing, enjoying the stillness, or for more resilience, the hugging a tree posture. So let's try that out. And let's review what we've done so far. And if you're new here, go to the playlist and start at the beginning with day one. Come to the practice with the 3 intentful corrections: body, breath, and mind. Let's go ahead and open to the Wuji position that we mentioned before, ergonomic neutral position. Breathe in, long, slow, deep breaths. Breathe out. Close the eyes. Relax from the top of your head all the way down, like stress is just rolling off of you to the soles of your feet. Now breathe in and float to the top of your head, and breathe out a sigh of relief. Just feeling all the stress just fall off. One more time. Breathing in, float, breathing out, throw off the stress and sink. Smile from the heart. Eyes closed, and actually do this with me. Don't watch it. Do it. Practice Qigong. Palms up, breathe in. Lower the palms, breathe out. Notice you don't even know how to do this. Just listen to the instructions. Palms up, breathe in. Palms down, breathe out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale through the nose if you can. Exhale through the mouth with a sigh of relief. Or you could also exhale through the nose. We breathe in with the palms going up. We breathe out, the palms going down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Now just dip your fingers in imaginary water below you, raising the palms up to your face, soaking it into your head, your chest, your stomach. Breathing in, the gathering breath. Breathing out with a long, slow exhale. Breathing in, arms raise up. Breathing out, arms pass from head to toe, or as low as you can go from a standing position to hip level. Then go back up Inhale and then down. Breathing in, arms float up. Breathing out, we will relax the whole body where the arms are, just sinking into the ground, melting away all the stress. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale up, exhale down. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale up, exhale down. Now get looser with your movements. Stop thinking about them so much. Relax more and more. Maybe a little bit faster, a little bit looser. Build up a little bit of momentum and let your body be loose and tension free, free of all tension. Scanning your body for any tense areas and releasing that tension through movement. And we're going to continue on by doing some spontaneous Qigong. And we're just going to release our jaw, relax our jaw, relax our shoulders, relax our chest, and stomach and hips. Soften the knees. Begin to bounce a little bit without the feet leaving the ground, just up and down. Relax the body so that up and down movement moves your arms, moves your hands. You can let it extend to your fingers. We can wiggle, we can shake, we can make noise like the sigh of relief. Let off some stress or any other sounds that rise up. Dancing in chaos. Spontaneous Qigong. Relaxing, letting go and letting it flow. Trying to find what feels good. Releasing tension. Maybe even releasing emotions. Maybe even some stored trauma. And when you're ready, let yourself wind down. Come back to the neutral position. Center yourself by finding your center of gravity. Sinking back down into the Muji position. Just stand here, enjoying this journey, or it's led us to this moment, and enjoy this moment. Enjoy the stillness, the tranquility. Quality over quantity. Whenever you feel like it, keep your eyes closed. Don't come out yet. Rub your hands together to generate friction, warming up your palms. Place your warm palms over your eyes. Warm up your eyes. Enjoy the darkness. Blink open your eyes, allow a little light in. Lift your palms with a pat, 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 allowing more light. Dry wash the face with circles over the eyes, getting bigger and bigger over the face, going through close to the scalp, behind the neck. Little massage of the neck, of the shoulders. Massage your ears. Just rubbing your ears like you're rubbing a coin in between your thumb and your fingers, especially your index finger. Rub inside, not inside the ear canal, but inside the ear, the little surface areas of the ear, on the outside, the front, the back. Hold down the lobe. Sigh of relief. Rub your hands together. Use the thumb gem, pressing the thumb against your palm, in between the metatarsal, in between the bones of your hands, in between, not on the bone, in between the bones. Rubbing your hands together, wringing your hands. Give a nice hand massage, and you can also do your feet. Just finding where it needs it. It needs a little extra attention. Thanks for joining me. See you tomorrow.